Everybody knows this is the mecca of speed. And the fastest you're gonna go anywhere is at the Bonneville Salt Flats.
We'll escort you off the course and we'll...
But the minute you step foot on the salt, you've already succeeded.
I'm Lloyd Greer, Lloyd's Motor Works. We're here with the Helping with Horsepower kids to race the motorcycle that we built in my shop.
I'm Brian Klock from Klock Works. I'm from Mitchell, South Dakota. I'm here at the 2014 Motorcycle Speed Trials to set a land speed record on this victory that was built by the kids from the Pine Bush Helping with Horsepower Speed Academy.
We've formed the Helping with Horsepower Academy to get a one-on-one reach to these children, and we do it through the form of a motorcycle.
They have academies for those that are gifted in music, math, and engineering, but nothing for those kids that maybe were like me or Lloyd, maybe are at risk, they're maybe going to drop out, and it is amazing to watch those kids connect. And so many times, they just need someone to believe in them.
The program, it's not bad. People are friendly. They want you to learn what they know. They want to teach you. They want to give you knowledge about the machines. They don't want you out there not knowing what you're doing.
These kids are involved with every aspect of the build, whether it's stripping parts, powder coating, building a motor, degreasing parts.
Welding, sandblasting, body work.
Everything, they get their hands involved.
The bike I'm on is a 2008. It's 106 cubic inch bike, so we're running in the 2000 cc class. These guys build an incredible motor. We're using power commanders to tune it, and this thing is crazy fast.
The Victory platform doesn't require an excessive amount of work to make a lot of horsepower. It's a workhorse right from the start.
It's a very solid power plant. The drivetrain, the primary, everything on this bike is great. I've got over 200 horsepower at the rear wheel. Last year we went 172 miles an hour on it with a body on it. This year we have no body on it. We've already gone 152 and we're looking for more today.
That's a record.
You know what? This program's been tremendously successful, and our Academy program has now been nationally recognized. And because of Lloyd and Laura Klock and Brian Klock and Victory, we couldn't be prouder of the team that we've assembled here.
Before, I would think that working was going to be a hard, unenjoyable life, but now, I can't wait to go to work.